What's the difference between BV and trichomoniasis discharge? Bacterial vaginosis and trichomoniasis can cause very similar symptoms, especially when it comes to changes in discharge or odor down there. But what's the difference between these infections and how do you tell them apart? So bacterial vaginosis is caused by an overgrowth of disruptive bacteria in the vaginal microbiome. It's not an STI, but certain sexual behaviors can trigger BV, and having BV can actually increase your risk for contracting an STD. Trichomoniasis, on the other hand, is an STI. It's caused by a parasite called Trichomonas vaginalis, and anyone can get trich, but women actually have an increased risk of contracting it because the parasite that causes trich thrives in moist environments like the urethra, vagina, and vulva. So where BV and trich discharge and odor symptoms overlap is that they both cause abnormal vaginal discharge and usually a fishy odor. But one of the main differences is bacterial vaginosis discharge is usually thin, watery, and white or gray in color, while trich discharge tends to be frothy, thin, and green or gray in color. The other tricky part of this is that you can actually be asymptomatic with both BV and trichomoniasis. The most important thing is that if you suspect you have either of these infections, you get tested. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below.